Welcome. Today we'll walk you through how to install and automate an ACME-enabled SSL certificate on LiteSpeed. Before we begin, make sure you're connected to your LiteSpeed server over SSH and that it's listening on port 80, which ACME uses for validation. To keep things simple, we've already purchased the certificate from GoGetSSL.com and copied the provided EAB credentials. You can also follow along using commands from our wiki article on ACME for LiteSpeed. All right, let's get started. We'll begin by installing acme.sh, a lightweight client that handles SSL issuance, installation, and renewal. Run the install command. Once the install completes, load your environment and verify the installation. After ACME is installed, the next step is registering it with the certificate authority. This step uses your EAB credentials that you received when purchasing your ACME-compatible SSL. As a reminder, you can copy this command directly from our wiki article on ACME for LiteSpeed. Just swap it in your credentials where the placeholders are. After successful account registration, we're ready to issue the SSL certificate using the Webroot method. It verifies your domain by placing a small validation file in your site's root directory. Specify your domain and -w flag first, then run the issue command to complete validation. Once the command runs successfully, your SSL certificate will be issued and saved on the server. Now let's install the certificate into LiteSpeed and configure it so the server reloads automatically after every renewal. First, create a dedicated certificate directory using your domain. Next, run the install cert command. This ensures LiteSpeed automatically reloads the certificate after each renewal. Finally, if you haven't already, add an HTTPS listener. In the LiteSpeed web admin, go to Listeners. Add and create a new listener named HTTPS. Set IP address to any, port to 443, and secure to yes. Under the SSL tab, point to the private key file and certificate file paths we just created. Next, go to the Virtual Host Mappings tab and map your domain's virtual host to this HTTPS listener. Click Save, then restart LiteSpeed for the changes to take effect. At this point, your SSL certificate should be active. Let's verify and make sure auto-renewal is set up. First, visit your site over HTTPS in a browser and check that the certificate is valid. Next, run the cron tab command to confirm that acme.sh has scheduled the renewal job. You should see a line for the acme.sh cron script. Finally, let's manually test a renewal. Run the renew command with the force flag. If LiteSpeed reloads with the updated certificate, renewal is successful. From now on, your certificates will renew automatically 30 days before they expire, keeping your site secure with no manual effort. And that's it. You've successfully issued, installed, and configured automated SSL renewals on LiteSpeed using ACME.